Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate a Zoom's video conference call. So first off, you get into the conference call. You'll usually get sent a link or you'll be the one creating the Zoom call. But over here on the left you have mute, and it can do same as system. Lets you choose which microphone. You can test, you can turn it off, turn it on. Here you have the video. You can do the FaceTime HD. You can even choose a background. So let's see. You can do the San Francisco Bridge. You can also stop your video, start it. You have security right here, which is pretty much just you can lock your meeting, do the waiting room, you can hide profile pictures, you can hide the chat, you let people rename themselves, they can mute themselves when they want. Here is your participants, and it'll show you up over here. It's just me and my mom. Then you have the chat, and you can just text back to one another. Then you have your share screen. This is where you can share your screen with everyone else. So I can't do it because I don't have it downloaded, but it'll let you share your screen and you can like write on it and stuff. You can go into Google and show them everything. Then you have record.
Recording in progress.
It will record the session. It'll even let the people in the session know that it's recording, so if they don't want to be recorded, they can leave. I'm gonna stop that.
Recording stopped.
And then you have your reactions, which are usually sent in the left-hand corner up here of the screen. You can send a bunch. You can even raise your hand to get the attention of the teacher. Just like that. Raise your hand, lower hand, raise your hand, lower hand. And that, you can also invite people, you can mute all, and you can do the same thing as the privacy over here. So if you press invite, it'll give you contacts, and then you can email, you can copy the link into the email. And that is how you use Zoom video conference.